I'm not really seeing that impulse. We might need a more realistic collision shape, otherwise players are going to probably feel that's a bit cheap. But it would be nice to have our collision shapes as simple as possible, but yeah, we need to make the projectiles explode when they hit stuff as well. Okay, so... oh yeah. Good catch. I was wondering why it was a Vector 3. I thought like maybe the... yeah. Okay. Okay, so what if we remove our central force for now, and then just focus on that initial impulse? So if the initial impulse is maybe a little bit more, just verify that we can see that impulse. Here we go. Okay, so that's cool. And now we just need to make sure it's rotated, I guess. So we apply that, rotated by our rotation. Cool. So now we've got this sort of initial boost, but it's affected by gravity, and we don't have any of that sort of like rocket propulsion feel to it because we've turned off our central force. So now if we add this force, right, let's have a look at what our velocity is. Hold on. Let's get the length. Might be easier to work out. Okay, so it's hitting about 250, maybe 250, 300, which is where we got to before, I think. So that's starting to make sense. And then, yeah, okay, I think that should hopefully feel like have a good bullet feel now. So we've got this initial impulse and then slight acceleration. Okay, and then we probably want to put some sort of effect there to make it obvious that that acceleration is coming from some sort of propulsion. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that.